I couldn't ever guess that a toilet will change my life completely, and that now I will feel like a peasant every time I will walk in to a non-smart toilet bathroom. And today I am reviewing the Smart Toilet by HOROW, the T38P model. And this thing changed the entire way I look at bathrooms. So guys, let's get started with a deep review.
When you think about upgrading your home, a toilet probably isn't the first thing that comes to your mind, but honestly, it should be. I used to think a smart toilet was one of those luxury items that you only see in the high-end hotels and only in Japan. And it's all nice to look at it as you're traveling or on the TV, but it's really unnecessary at your own house until I actually tried one. And that completely changed how I think about comfort, hygiene, and design. The truth is that the bathroom is one of the most used places in any house out there, but also the one we tend to upgrade the least. We spend money on smart lighting, smart doorbells, even smart fridges or robotic cleaners, but what about the one thing we use so many times a day? And that's what led me to the HOROW T38P Smart Toilet. And after living with it, I can honestly say this has been one of the most life-changing upgrades I have ever made to my house.